So I had a company gift us this SJZX Hydroponic Tower. Now this tower has 25 different pods, and they did give you some accessories for this unit. They gave you the sponges in which you can use to grow your seedlings out of, the actual pod trays that go into the tower itself. They gave you this planting sponge that you can use to put your seed in there to get them to sprout. I prefer to use rock wool. Now this measuring tool is just going to stick into the side of the unit, and when you fill it up with water, it is then going to tell you how full the tank is. And then the silicone funnel that you're going to have to use to be able to fill the tower back up with water. So here's your water filter, and that's going to dangle right in the inside of the water, sucking it, and then we'll have the tube that's within this unit hooked up to the other side, and that way all the water can cycle up to the top of the tower and then run through the plants and then back down again. Now they also provide a smart plug, which your plug to the unit gets plugged into the smart plug, and after you download the app, you can program this to kick on and off. So when the pump does kick on, it sends the water out of these points into these pods. As you can see, the rooting just loves it. I have a full tank of water in here. When you do need to add water, you just have to pop this off, stick that funnel in there that they gave you, and fill the water up as needed. Really makes this unit very effortless. So I start off by putting my seeds in the seed pods, just to prove that no matter what you're using to grow from, the cotton sponge or the brown sponge, either way, this tower is going to grow no matter what you decide to put the seeds in. So this is a week and a half after I opened this tower up, and as you can see, it is growing really nicely. Even stuff that I have a really hard time of germinating is having no problem germinating in this tower. Just remember, the pH balance is very important to your plant's health. So all in all, if you are somebody who eats a lot of salads or leafy greens, you may want to consider this tower.